Alrighty then, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a protein treatment. Protein treatment. And I've already washed my hair using a clarifying shampoo, and that's it. And I detangled it. So use the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment, and I just put it in this little spray bottle. And now I'm just going to start to spray my hair with it. And I should add detangling as really removing the rest of the hair out of the way. And now I'm going to start to spray this section of hair with the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. Now I will say, when doing this, make sure you wear something that you don't care about, because it does get really sticky and it does dry really hard. So I'm focusing it on the ends and then moving it up the hair. A wide tooth comb and just start detangling it quickly but gently, because like I said, this stuff does dry hard, and with it drying hard, it can break your hair off. So you do need to be very, very gentle with your hair. Now, if you don't want to be gentle and you don't care about your hair, then it will break off, and then what's the purpose of you doing this? So and the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment is a hydrolyzed protein, which means it actually adheres or sticks to your hair strands and stays there, compared to typical other protein treatments. So I'm just doing a quick finger detangle, rake through. And then spritzing this in my hair, starting at the ends and then moving my way up. And quickly working it through the hair. Trying to remove any tangles. And then detangling it from the ends, moving all the way up to the roots. Again, working quickly but as gently as you can. I just heard a strand snag. And this thing does typically like tangle your hair. So, like I said, just work gently but quickly. And I did divide my hair into 6 sections to make it more manageable. For me, I just find it that it is more manageable when I do that compared to the 4 sections. Starting at the ends and then working up the hair, making sure I cover it, saturate it completely with it. Now this section of my hair I do have to be more so gentle with, because this is the coarser section of my hair and it does break and tangle more easily. So see what I mean? So what I'm gonna do, since it is tangling pretty bad, is just kind of split it and work in smaller sections. That section seems to be finished. Now let's do this one. And then this last one. So if you find that your hair is still tangling up and stuff, just try making smaller sections. So there's that. Is this right? I guess so. Alrighty. When I'm in the shower and I'm sectioning off, I don't make perfect sections. I don't care to at that time until after I get out of the shower. Then I'm like, what in the world kind of parting is this? But you know, I guess you could buy one of those shower mirrors that you can just hang on the tile in the shower. But for me it's not that serious, so I haven't. And I should say I did not use the entire Aphogee bottle for my hair. That's actually less than half that I'm using. Typically I would use about half, maybe a little bit more before I had cut my hair. And then I'm gonna split it right now because it's starting to get really tangled as I go. And again, I'm trying to do this as quickly but gently as I can. So there's that. And now I'm going to do this little section. That part's finished. And now this last one. Now I just have the front part to do. So again, just a quick detangle with my fingers. Starting at the ends and working my way up the hair. Now I'm doing a quick detangle. If you find that your hair is tangling really bad, work in smaller sections. Because that's what I'm doing as I see that's happening. Or if you find something that works better for you, or if you have an easier way, leave a comment down below. You know, share the love. Why not? So that whole side is finished. Now we just have this side to do. Oh, so something that I didn't say. So before I wash my hair, I detangled it with conditioner because I don't like to detangle my hair dry. So I use the Aussie Moisture something conditioner. To detangle my hair with that. Then I rinse it out. And then I just section then I split my hair in 2 sections. And from there, I divided again each of those 2 sections into 3 sections. So I get 6 sections? Yeah, 6. And once I do that, I twist the hair just about like down to here, and then from here I loosely make a braid. And when I twist it, I'm not twisting it tight either, it's just a loose twist, and then as I get to the ends I braid it, just so that when I wash my hair with the clarifying shampoo, for the most part it's pretty detangled. Now during the washing process it is going to get tangled whenever you're using a clarifying conditioner. Clarifying conditioners just strip the hair and causes the hair to tangle. But twisting it or plaiting it, whatever, but reduces the amount of tangles that you might get. Alright, so I'm finished going through all the little sections. Now I'm just going to spray what's left just on top, because it's already starting to dry, and this stuff does dry pretty quickly. And I'm just smoothing it down with my fingers. Now I'm just trying to get everything and that's about what's left. I'm just going to go ahead and finish it all, or try to. Alrighty, so I'm finished applying all the protein, and now the next step is to completely let the hair dry, like dry, and it's going to dry to where it's thick. So with that, you don't want to touch the hair, play with the hair, anything. So I'm just rinsing out my comb real quick because this stuff does dry sticky, which is why I recommended, if you do this, you wear a shirt that you don't care about. Now I do like this shirt that I'm wearing, but you know, that's sometimes just how the cookie crumbles. Alright, so I'm back from sitting underneath the blow dryer, and it got just the top part of my hair dry, which typically is what happens, and then the ends are still wet. And I can tell they're still wet because they're movable. Up here it's hard and it's crunchy. I'm not messing with it too much because I don't want it to break. So I'm going to use my blow dryer, which is just a Revlon blow dryer. So yeah, so it's all dry now. So now all I have to do is rinse it out. To rinse it out, I just stand underneath the shower head and let the warm water just go through my hair. And then once, for the most part, that's all out, I use the Aphogee Balancing Moisturizer, put it all throughout, detangle it with the wide tooth comb, rinse that all out again after about letting it sit in my hair for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then once I rinse all that out, I use the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask, the Honey Manuka, the Manuka Honey, whatever the other word is, Oil Intensive Hair Mask. And I put this in my hair and I sit underneath my hair steamer for about 30 minutes. So let me rinse this out of my hair and then I'll show you the rest of my process. I'll come back. So I have rinsed out all of the protein treatment. I did the 2-step or the moisture balancer thing. And now I have my Shea Moisture Manuka Intensive Treatment Mask in my hair. And I'm just going to sit underneath my steamer and deep condition for about 30 minutes or so. So
I do my protein treatments about every 3 months. Yeah, every 3 months. Because why not? In my opinion, it's better to prevent breakage and trying to repair breakage. And doing it about every 3 months works for me. And I got that from someone's YouTube channel. I can't remember. If I remember when I find out, I'll put it down below, but I love her channel. And she's the one who said, why try to repair damage instead of working on preventing it? So I do my protein treatment every 3 months. And every time I use the Aphogee protein 2-step treatment. So before I put this in my hair, I wash my hair with a clarifying shampoo. It doesn't matter which one, how expensive or cheap, that's up to you. I used to use the VO5 clarifying shampoo and that worked great. Today I use the Shea Moisture something clarifying shampoo. I'll insert that somewhere. And yeah, that's what I use. But before I shampooed my hair with the clarifying shampoo, I use the Aussie moisture conditioner to detangle my hair first with that. And then once my hair was detangled, I sectioned it into 6 sections just so when it came time to spray this in my hair, it would be easier and more effective. So I sprayed that throughout my hair, and if a section was still too big to where it was becoming really tangled when I was trying to detangle or distribute this product through it, then I would make that section even smaller and go from there all throughout my head. Y'all saw me do that. After that, I went back in the shower to rinse that all out. No, back up. So after I sprayed all that in my hair, I went underneath my hooded hair dryer to let that dry the majority of my hair. And then I used my blow dryer to dry the remaining bottom section. So after that was all done, I went in the shower and let the water just, do its thing and go all throughout my hair, because you don't want to try to manipulate the hair when it's dry. It will break, and what was the point of doing a protein treatment if you're going to break all your hair off? So I just let the water do its thing and just gently rinse out the product out of my hair. Once it was about 90% out, 95% out, then I went in with the second treatment to this, which is the moisture balancing thing. Again, I'll insert that. And I put that all throughout my hair, made sure that I covered my hair really good with that. And I just put it up in a little top knot while I showered so that I could sit in my hair for about 3 to 5 minutes. All long-winded. After that, I rinsed it all out and I put the Shea Moisture Manuka Intensive Hair Mask. Again, I'll insert that. Put that in my hair, and now I'm going to sit underneath my steamer so I can get a good moisture treatment, because just doing the moisture balancing, the second part to this, after doing this, it really doesn't leave my hair moisturized. My hair still is kind of hard after doing that, and it tangles really easily. So I find after doing this whole treatment, after following it up with a moisture mask and sitting underneath my steamer, really adds that moisture back into my hair, and my hair is a lot stronger after doing this. So if y'all are still watching, thank you for watching. I know this video is really long, it's almost 20 minutes, but thank you so much. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the content on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you have any questions or anything, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back with you. So again, thank y'all for watching, and see y'all in the next one. Bye.